You can expect a lot from the 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. Jeep prioritized comfort and style by including a built-in garage door transmitter, heated seats, heated steering wheel, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, skid plates, rear wipers, and cruise control. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.